Hi again, this is Dre'Jon Williams. We have another, look like it's a crossing malfunction we have right now. But we have another train. Crossing just came on out of nowhere. We'll find out here. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's a train that's coming down the track. Well, I guess we'll stick around. And it just crossed 15.6 on the scanner. And this crossing just came on out of nowhere. I'm like, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. It's like, oh, wait a minute. I see a train. I see crossing lights on. Bell scared me, everything. Ladies and gentlemen, we have another train here on Fondren in Maine today. Fifth catch of the day. The Glidden is pronounced busy. And it's going slow. I was about to head home. I was about to head for home. Soon before I even head for home. Here comes another train, ladies and gentlemen. Fourth catch of the day. I'm glad I didn't go then. I would have missed this one. We have a Union Pacific. $63.34, $51.63, and $56.93. Fifth train. My goodness, ladies and gentlemen, the Glidden is pretty busy today. And I am glad to share with all the nice rail fanners out there. Here is 15.6 on track 2. Going slow.
Temperature 86 degrees. Detect out.
Alright, no defects from 15.6 Hillcroft Crossing. This is another rail. This is also another lucky catch before I even go home. The Glidden has brought a lot of surprises for me today. I caught 3 trains here at this crossing today on Fondren in Maine. This is our final train of the day. I know this is the one. This is the last one here. The last one I'm going to catch. Bell you hear ringing, it's a WCH Type 2E bell or the WCH bell. One direction 12x24s. Safe train gate. Fondren Road Railroad Crossing. UP Glidden Subdivision, Houston, Texas. By Ormity. The bells do not stay on automatic. They do not continue. They do go off once the gates rise. They are continuous until gates rise.
How much gunway you make? I think about 16, 69. And they're walking off 3 or 4. Yes, sir. All right, here we go. We'll give it a here. We go to 58 334 West with gang 1456.
And here comes the end of the train, ladies and gentlemen.
18236.
Another lucky catch. Another lucky catch.
2015 line 1.
Which just scared the crap out of me.
8.9, 40 hours until 1700 Maine.
Here's the end of the train there.
18.4.
Sorry if I'm moving my camera so much. My arm hurts. Ripping it all day. I've been stuck all day. Let's just say that much.
1456.
There's the end of the train right here.
2015 London off of 18.
Here goes Gates here in about 5 seconds. Gates. And we should have a green from the traffic light right about now. This concludes end of racing. Once again, I will thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Need more subscribers. Dre'Jon Williams out.